Kevin Gastelum. Tyron, the chosen one, Woodly.
Tyron Woodly and Kevin Gastelum. Here we go. Gastelum in the blue trunks. He is a for Woodly, who goes high early. San Diego at Alliance Entertaiment.
There's that lead right about Mike. You know, the speed that he had.
Trying to push forward with the
Nearly as much as we've seen in other fights.
got clipped there. That's his skills as he looks to become a UFC world champion in Anthony Pettis.
Good job blocking that right hand there by Kelvin. And in response to that, who does things differently? There's a right hand by Woodley.
Gastelum encountered that right hand of the chosen one.
Yes.
Boom! His hometown of Yuma, Arizona with his long chance for off.
Both exchanges kicks here.
There's that right hand again.
They seem to be out of his system because he looks fine.
Seconds now less.
Oh, that's a good right hand by Tyron.
He's got it ready to
There's
go
another
again.
one.
Now the Woodley was round one is done. Round two. Round two. Fight scheduled for 3 rounds.
There's
Nice
a good
kick.
kick to the body by Tyron.
Gastelum. And again, parried. With an abundance of confidence.
Nice left hand there. And a good outside leg.
And again.
Well, they're still talking about Uriah. What's really effective in MMA. Oh, he hurt him!
Big shot by Woodley.
He hurt him right hand there, Mike.
Looking to pounce forward. And again to the body now. Woodley closing in. Gastelum missed with the uppercut. Now they're turning it up. And to change levels. Now the kick
Goes to the body.
finding his range here.
Nice inside leg kick.
That knee. The lead on Kevin Gastelum.
And Calvin lands a nice inside leg.
Spectacular
Oh,
left
tag
Mizzou
again.
and a big right hand. Again, Woodley spent a lot of time with Duke Rufus and the team.
If he can put together several of those, enough.
Runs MMA.
Oh, another
scouting
hard
report.
right hand.
And he gets him again. Wow. Gastelum looking for his fifth. Woodley to the body. Gastelum takedown attempt by either man.
And he's trying to make up for it here. And he gets tagged again. He's cut.
Gastelum trying to cut off
Good
the
combination
octagon.
there by Gastelum.
Woodley. Get off that fence.
There's a combination, a nice knee to the body. He's throwing those kicks just simply to set up, touching him with those kicks.
3 minutes now.
Good kick to the body there by Kelvin.
Kelvin, midway point of the third and final round. And they clinch.
Yeah, by Woodley. Looking for that right hand again.
Minutes remain.
Looking for that right hand.
Been ripped there a moment ago by Woodley.
A lot of pressure by Kelvin. Like.
Absolutely.
Again.
Again.
Yeah, good movement there. He faked.
Trying to tear apart some of the best fighters.
The fact that he's going to have to fight 185 now is just ridiculous. The UFC's probably not going to accept him fighting at 170 right now.
And Gastelum looking for a couple of last shots. They go the distance.
For the winner by split decision, Tyron Woodly.